What is heredity and why does it matter for GED science? Imagine looking at your family photos and noticing how certain features like a color or hair type run in the family. That's because of heredity, a natural process that passes traits from parents to children. Heredity is how living things transfer characteristics through genes, which are tiny instructions stored in our DNA. These genes are organized on structures called chromosomes, and humans have 23 pairs of these chromosomes. Each parent gives one chromosome per pair, so children inherit half of their genetic material from each parent. Different versions of a gene, called alleles, combine to determine specific traits like height or skin color. This process is the foundation of genetics, the study of how traits are inherited and passed down. Understanding heredity helps explain why family members often look alike and share certain features. It also connects to health because some diseases are inherited through genes. For example, conditions like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia are passed from parents to children through genetic traits. Knowing how heredity works is important for understanding evolution and how populations change over time. It also helps us see why some traits are more common in certain groups. For GED science, learning about heredity means understanding why children are similar but not identical to their parents. It explains how traits like color, hair type, or even certain talents can run in families. It also shows how DNA and chromosomes carry the instructions for building and maintaining living things. Plus, it helps students grasp how genetic traits influence health and why some conditions are inherited. This knowledge forms a key part of life science and prepares students for questions about genetics on the GED test. So, when you see a family with similar features, you're witnessing heredity in action. It's the reason why traits are passed down and why living things develop the way they do. Understanding heredity is like unlocking a code that explains the diversity and similarities we see in all living organisms.